Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to add shortcut on Google Chrome from Android. To add shortcut on Google Chrome, first you have to tap Open your Chrome. Then in the search bar, type in the website you want to add shortcut. Here I will be entering Fly Emirates. Then open the website. Now tap on the three dots on top right. Here tap on the star icon. Now, this website has been saved to your mobile bookmarks. Go back to your home screen. Tap on the three dots again. Now tap on bookmarks and open the website you visited earlier. Go back to your home screen by tapping on the home icon located on the top left. You have to repeat this process for a couple of times. And here you go, the shortcut has been added to your Chrome's home screen. Now, this will help you access the website in easier and convenient manner. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.